Welcome, in this video we are going to learn set new password of victim PC remotely in Metasploit. This module will attempt to change the password of the targeted account. The typical usage is to change a newly created account's password on a remote host to avoid the error. System error 1907 has occurred, which is caused when the account policy enforces a password change before the next login. Let's open up terminal. Here I already created connections, type sessions. Let's load the change password module. Type use post/windows manage change password. Type info. Here you can see that change password module information. Let's see the basic options. New password, setting new password, old password, original password, session, the session to run this module on, and so on. Type set payload Windows interpreter reverse_TCP. Let's set old password as small s. Now let's change small s to capital S. Type set new password capital S. Set SMB user YT. Type show options. Here you can see that session is not set. Type session 19. Let's execute it. Here you can see that password change successful. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.